My name is Jason Schuster. I'm a doctor of physical therapy. I started a continuing education company 5 years ago. For the first 3 years of that business, I was operating solo. For the last 2 years, I've had one employee. And over the first 5 years of that business, I've made over $2 million, 95% of which has been on free social media marketing. So I decided to build my own AI powered social media marketing software that is trained on my board certified CEU course materials on dry needling, nutrition, joint manipulation, manual therapy, other things like that. I've trained it specifically to write like me, so it writes high quality content in high quantity consistently. It writes over 600 pieces of social media content every month for you. It posts them for you across 4 social media platforms. So it posts 5 posts per day on X, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Every single post is different, and you have the ability to choose and select what topics you want to write about every month. So I want to show you the coolest part of the software application right here. I built this thing, you guys. It's really, really cool. Let me know if anybody wants to try it out. You can get an early special access for the August waitlist. It'll be coming out in just a couple of weeks. Sign up if anybody wants to on cashpayconsulting.com, or you can get a hold of me, Jason at cashpayconsulting.com. Check it out. All right, you guys. So this is how you create bulk monthly content with my software. So let's just say let's say we're going to create it for September. We'll choose educational tone. So choose all 4 social media platforms that you go in and connect separately. I can show you how to do that in a different video. So I've connected my Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. I always include an AI image with each post. This is really cool. I added this section just a little while ago, so you can upload your logo. I like to blend it into the scene. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So I uploaded my logo, blended it into the scene. That's my Intricate Art logo. IntricateArtSeminars.com is going to be the URL that comes up on the picture. And then you always want to add in a custom URL. So I'll add in my Intricate Art Seminars URL. So what this does, you guys, is every single post that this software makes, it includes either a special booking link. So you can set up in bookings here, you can set up to have patients pay you and schedule appointments directly within this software. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but you can do that. Or you can just connect if you already have a payment system set up for an existing physical therapy clinic or athletic training clinic or whatever. You can just use your existing website. But the reason I built this software, you guys, was to get new patients for your businesses. So this writes educational content about different physical therapy interventions, athletic training interventions. Dry needling is my favorite treatment. So I've uploaded all of my content that I've ever written on dry needling, everything else that I teach about joint manipulation, nutrition, metabolism, muscle health, all that stuff. And this thing will reference my writing and write you social media content like I'm writing it for you. So I choose every day of the week. Now, we go next topic allocation. This is what the really cool thing is, you guys. So I've realized that people struggle thinking about how to prompt AI to get the best responses. So you really need to think about AI like a really super genius level 5-year-old, basically, where it has like tons of knowledge. It just doesn't know what to do with the knowledge. So what I've done in here is you can go in and select preset options. So if you go to fully preset post here, these are the subject matters that I have in there right now: soft tissue mobilization, exercise, pelvic health, joint mobilization, pediatrics, and dry needling. So let's do one for dry needling. Let's do one for dry needling for migraines. So if you select the topic, dry needling for migraines, it fills in all of these pre-selected boxes for you. Choose the art style. I've been using photorealism recently, so that gives you just regular picture quality photos. And this is the cool thing, you guys. So you can choose how many posts you want to be produced about dry needling for migraines that month. So I'm just going to choose a couple for each one of these topics so I can show you guys how it works real quick. But you want to be making 600 total posts each month so you get 5 posts per day per platform. One post a day is good, you guys. 5 posts a day is better. What you need to realize with this with marketing is you're not marketing technically to patients. Who or what you are marketing to are the internet alien algorithms or the social media algorithms. So you are marketing to the algorithms. The algorithms look, one of the things they look at is if the stuff is good and how much of it is posted. If you post consistently a lot of it all the time, the algorithm is going to like you more than other people and it's going to show your stuff more than it would show other people's stuff. That's just the way it works. So more is better with social media marketing as long as it's good. And this stuff writes amazingly good content, just like I'm writing it for you. So let's just choose. I'm just going to choose one post per topic here, you guys. So what this is going to do is it's going to create one post for each social media platform. Even if you did 100, you guys, what this will do is create 100 posts on dry needling for migraines. What people have asked me are all those posts the same? And this is one of the neat things about AI is that this is trained on my writing. It more or less thinks like I do about this stuff. And every single one of those 100 posts would be different. They'd all be about dry needling for migraines, but every post would be different, right? So I'm just going to make one post dry needling for migraines. I'm a physical therapist. Let's choose physical therapy, outpatient therapy. And then this is what you can do. Add a topic, you guys. Let's choose a different preset option. So let's choose pelvic health, pelvic floor, physical therapy for urinary incontinence. Let's choose art style. We'll do oil paint for that one. We'll choose one. So that's now it's going to be 8 posts. And let's just make one more topic so I can show you guys. This one, let's choose exercise, exercise to improve flexibility, exercise to improve walking and gait. Art style, let's choose anime. One thing you can also do, you guys, if you want, you can choose specific days for these posts to be scheduled on. I usually don't mess with that one. I let the schedule auto select and post them on certain days. Okay, so we have 3 different topics. There's going to be 4 posts for each topic. Every single post is different. Generate monthly plan. So what this is doing right now, you guys, it's writing you all of those social media posts. It's going to put them, it's going to give you the chance, and you'll see in a second, it's going to give you the chance to edit the post. You can edit the pictures. You can ask the picture to be different. You can give instructions to edit the picture. I basically never edit these things. You guys, it writes such good content. I've spent so much time training this thing to write like me that it writes really, really amazing stuff right off the bat. So it's just about done, you guys. It does it super, super fast. That's writing all 12, just the 12 posts for you. Again, remember, I write 600 posts with this thing every month and post them on my social media platforms. This is just writing 12. Okay, there's a 12 posts. So it's scheduled 4 posts per day per social media platform across 3 different days. And if you make more posts, it'll just start to populate them out throughout the month. This is where you can edit them, you guys. So every single one of these posts is different. You can see this is a Facebook post, Facebook, X, Instagram, right? So you can go in and you can look at the pictures. You can look at the post. There's the whole post. There's the picture. So this is what including the logo within the picture does, you guys. It blends it into the scene, right? So you have the logo in the background. You have that's photorealism. You have a nice picture of somebody getting their upper traps dry needled. If you want, you guys, so you can edit the image. You can come down here. You can edit the text, right? It's so good, you guys. These are great, great posts, right? So it talks about migraines, dry needling, gives you information about the autonomic nervous system, like I would write about. And then at the end of the post, right, it gives you a link to click to sign up for an appointment or to learn more or whatever, right? So you go back into the content studio, pick up where you left off. Here's the 12 posts I just made. And then all you got to do is click schedule all posts and it schedules those posts out for you. You can go back in and make more posts. This is how the monthly bulk content posting works in this software, you guys. This is an amazing piece of software. This writes 600 pieces of social media content for you every single month, post them across 4 platforms on whatever topics you want. And the max power plan is only $499 a month. To pay a social media marketing team to do this would cost you about 10 grand a month. And it's basically impossible anyways, because I don't know of any social media marketing companies that are run by doctors of physical therapy that teach these subjects to other doctors of physical therapy or other medical practitioners. This is an awesome software. You guys check it out at cashpayconsulting.com. Email me with questions, Jason at cashpayconsulting.com. Sign up to get early special August access to the wait list. This is fully HIPAA compliant. There's a scheduling link, a booking link in here. It does a bunch of other things. I'll make more videos on this soon. Keep an eye on my channel. Thanks, guys.